Hi guys, Jelly Cube pouring for you today on in Australia on the Queensland Sunshine Coast of Australia, living in paradise, living the dream. Very happy. So gonna do a pour for you today, heart shape, because of the Valentine's Day, so I shall obviously try to put this piece up for you on Valentine's Day, which I believe is Friday here in Australia, the 14th. So it's just going to be a little quick piece for you. I am doing it, I'm utilising my Mont spinning wheel, which I purchased here in Australia off my Cabriole Shabby Chic online store. It's a pottery banding wheel. It's quite weighted, so it's great for smaller pieces or pieces that you want to turn around if you're going to blow them or anything as such. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm using the MDF cutout heart. Can get all sorts of shapes. I believe you can obviously get these if you're in the US or England. You'll get them off maybe Amazon or eBay. They're MDF cutout shapes. Shabby Chic has got a whole variety of different sizes, different thicknesses of MDF cutout shapes. So I've got loads of those because they're great little tools to pour on. So today obviously I'm going to do my heart shape. I'm going to put a piece of cardboard on my spinning wheel just because the heart is a little bit smaller than that, but I'm just going to go with that. I probably need for the paint to drip off, so I may have to find something a little bit better, but anyway, for today that will do because I can spin it around and see what I'm doing. So go with it today. Rightio, I'm going to use my gorgeous Boom Gel stain. Just love these paints. You can now get them in the US, Canada and the UK. I will ask Cass to put a link on for you of where you can get them overseas, and in Australia you can get them online at the Cabriole Shabby Chic. They've got absolutely all the beautiful colours and they can get them to you ASAP, and they're really good at creating a bloom effect without any of the trying to get a recipe right. They really do create a gorgeous bloom. Or you can do also, I've done swipes with them, I've done blooms with them, I've done pours with them. They're really lovely, and the colours, beautiful. So today I am going to use the I'm going to do a black heart. Not that my heart is black, but I'm going to put the base coat on black today. I'm feeling in a black. It's a black mood. No, it's not a black mood, but I just want to go with this black. I'm only just going to take it out to the edges because hopefully when I blow it I will get it to run over the edges. Otherwise you can fix your very edges up afterwards without getting in too much mess. So, and it's all I have done with these, running around when they're dry, and if you leave the edges like this when they're dry, actually a bit of the gold on your finger and run around the edge makes a lovely finish to a piece, I must say. I can say I haven't got one to show you because they've thankfully been sold, my little pieces like that. So there's plenty of black on there for the time being. Where's my cloth? Okay. So these paints, you don't have to think about anything, you don't have to add anything, you don't have to mix or do anything. They're pre-made pouring paints, especially for the bloom technique or lacing, give beautiful lacing. So the only thing that I have done is I put some of the white, and I have got some of the black too, in a separate cup, and then I added a few drops of the cell enhancer, which is a Boom Gel Stain Cell Enhancer. So I added 2 drops of that, and it enhances your cells. So I did one earlier, which is turning out lovely, lovely. So that's gorgeous, turning out absolutely beautiful. No effort to it, so it's kind of the certainly an easy way to create a bloom without trying to get a recipe correct and the cost of trying to get that recipe correct. So okay, my black heart, I'm going to use this absolutely gorgeous metallic gold in the Boom Gel. I'm going to do it this way. Do it. Okay, I suppose I will have to use some red in there, being so it is for Valentine's Day. Not doing it your traditional way of doing kind of a bloom technique. I'm doing it Jilly way, my way, as the song goes. Okay, what colour would I like to add? Do I go the gorgeous burgundy? This is one of my favourites too. The red that I used was the pearlescent red, and that's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to just add a little bit of gold again because it's my fave. Oh, you don't really need to use very much of this paint, because if you were using it on a bigger piece or a canvas, you use your base paint and you blow this paint around, whether it be with a hairdryer, with a air compressor or a straw, you blow it around. So I'm not sure whether, because I've got the black underneath, I wanted to use the black with the cell enhancer as well, but I'll see how it goes in case it's just going to be too dark. I'm not sure, but we'll just go with the flow, and I might put some of the white with this cell enhancer around. See, I've got way too much paint on here for this little duva, and what I kept telling my son when I was trying to instruct him was less is best. So I should take a leaf out of my own book and try less. So what I'm going to use for this is my stainless steel straw. Has a little silicone end. What you normally would use is that end to put in your mouth if you were drinking from it, but I just find it a really good tool to direct the paint outward. So we'll give it a go. Oh, lacy, lovely lace. So the lacing's coming up, beautiful. But take, you do not need as much paint as I've used. Naughty of me. Do not need very much paint. Oh, it's still looking nice. I'm going to leave that teeny weeny bit of black because that is so gorgeous. I might just put my little heat wand on with it and see if I can, I mean, the cells are coming up without any heat on it at all, and it's a different cell than I would get from when I'm making paint up. It's a lacing which is very delicate and very bloom like. But that is gorgeous, it really is. this little heat one's beautiful. It's not dangerous. Oh, okay. It's going salacious. Is it salacious or is that a naughty word? I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh my goodness. I think I've gone over the top. Look at the blooms coming out of that one then. Hey, that's a pretty stunning little piece. The very edges, I actually want to let that piece dry and I want to coat the edges in the gold. I think that would, or even silver probably would go better with the colours that I've used, but I'll give you a bit of a close-up. So this is going to only be a quick video for you guys. Oops, sorry. There you go, look at that. It's absolutely gorgeous. That Boom Gel stain is just a no-brainer. That's way too much paint that I used on there because you only need a little bit and it does a brilliant job without you even having to think about all the ingredients to mix. So, easy peasy Japanesey. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Please let me know what you think. Be kind, obviously, that would be nice. And if you want to know where to get the Boom Gel, go have a look underneath this video. There's a drop down box. If you're on TV, you need to go onto a laptop or an iPad or as such to press on the little arrow that's directly underneath the video. It gives you the description of what I've used today, and it also gives you a link to the suppliers of these products. So thanks again for joining me, and until next time, bye for now. There'll be bonus bits at the end.